Hello and welcome. Today, we're showcasing the Onlytak large wicker storage basket set, featuring 2 hand-woven imitation rattan baskets with sturdy metal frames. These baskets measure 15 by 10.3 by 5.2 inches and are perfect for organizing everything from pantry items to bathroom essentials. Made with waterproof, damp-proof plastic wicker, they're washable and durable for both indoor and outdoor use. Their natural brown color and textured weave add a stylish, cozy touch to any room. Plus, they're stackable, saving space when not in use and strong enough to hold books, clothes, and more. Whether for kitchen, bedroom, or laundry, these versatile baskets help keep your space neat and organized. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.